What is an engine decarbon service? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. So one of the things that happens when you shut your engine off, vapors from the crankcase, which is down in the bottom of the engine where your oil's at, those rise and then they collect on things like throttle plates and intake manifolds and basically where your engine sucks in all of its air. And over time that builds up a gunk. It can even get very hard, almost volcanic if you will. So every now and then it's really good to get that cleaned out. We suggest about every 50 or 60,000 miles. It doesn't have to be done a lot unless you have a direct injected car, and then it's wise to do it about every 15,000 miles because those build up carbon faster. Basically what we do is we mist a fog of cleaner that goes through the system. We let it soak for a little while, then we rev it up, clean it out, and then we also take a toothbrush or a rag and some cleaner and we clean your throttle plate. Once we get all that out, the car will sometimes get a little bit better fuel economy and sometimes have a little crisper acceleration because that carbon buildup is not restricting airflow and trapping fuel molecules on their way into the engine. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.